Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your line chart to Candlestick or Metatrader 5. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video for more.
So guys, in order to change your line chart, what you do is you log into your Metatrader 5 like this, just as I've logged into my Metatrader 5. Look at the line charts here. As you can see, these are the line charts, okay? These are the line charts. So what you do is you want to change, these line charts to candlestick, okay, so that when you are trading you'll be seeing your candlesticks or your pips counting for you. Now what you do is you tap the screen, okay, you tap the screen like this, and then you click on these settings, okay. Look at this chart settings, okay. Now you click on it. Now immediately you click on it, okay. You will now click on this line charts, okay. Look at this line type, okay, line type. Click on it. Immediately you tap on it, you see that you have bar charts, you have candlestick, you have line chart, you have Hecking Ashi. Now this is highlighted. The line chart is highlighted. Why? Because that is what is showing on the Metatrader 5 interface, okay. Now what you do is you come right here, okay, and change this to candlestick. Just click on this, okay. So you tap on it this way, you tap on it, boom, it is already changed, okay. So you go back. Once you are done with this, you go back to it. You can see, hula, this is exactly what you want, okay. It is now candlestick. You can see is now candlestick. All of them has changed already. The line sticks are gone, okay. Is now candlesticks. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, whatever you want to do when you are trading. You can now see your candlesticks counting for you, okay. So this is how to change your line chart to your candlestick, okay. So if you have any issues doing this, drop a message for me in the comment section, and then I will sort it for you, okay. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you very much if you are a subscriber already. I'm going to see you in my next video, and if you haven't joined our trading community, please go to the link in the description of this video and click to join our trading community. Bye guys.